Hello guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video I want to share with you a simple strategy which I use personally, and if you can replicate it or if you can do your forward testing with this strategy, you will basically decide for yourself. Maybe you would like to use this strategy, or basically you would have to check or look for another strategy. But before I show you, I want to put your psychology in check. Please note that every strategy at one point or another will definitely fail. So that is the reason why I want you to always apply proper risk management. Don't over risk whenever you want to use this strategy, because every strategy at one point in time will definitely fail you. So without wasting much of your time, let's get straight into this backtesting section. How I will show you how the strategy works. So you only need basically 3 time frame for this strategy, depending on the kind of trader which you are. So as for me, I use the daily, 4 hour and 1 hour for my entry. So what are you going to do on this time frame? So for the purpose of this video, I will kickstart the backtesting with the daily time frame, as you can see. So when you go to daily time frame, you want to identify a trend. So when you identify the trend, you want to basically read the structure leading to that trend. And this is what you will do on each time frame. So now coming to this daily time frame, the current trend is I saw price moving towards the upside. You understand? So price is moving towards the upside. So when price is moving towards the upside, I need to read the structure. Prior to that, price has been coming down, and we have this push back, and this push up, and price happens to be here. So this is where we have a break to the upside, as you can see. So there's a break to the upside at that point. So now that we know that there's a break to the upside at that point, we need to mark our current low and our current high on daily time frame. So when we mark that, we'll now go to 4 hour time frame. So when we go to 4 hour time frame, what did we want to see? We want to also identify the trend on 4 hour time frame, because we have been able to cap this trade within this daily high and daily low. So now on 4 hour time frame, we want to read the structure as well. So this is the structure on 4 hour time frame. So what did we see? We see that price break or broke structure to the upside here. So we need to mark the current low and the current high. So on 4 hour time frame as well. So, and this is the current low on 4 hour time frame. After this break of structure, we have this high, which also corresponds with the daily high. So now, what does this really mean? It means that if price is bullish on 4 hour time frame, price may eventually come down here and continue going down. If price breaks here, it will come down and go to this daily low. But if price remains between this 4 hour low and 4 hour high, which correspond with daily high, definitely we may have price pushing back to this upside. So that is where our Fibonacci retracement now comes into. So now when I see this break of structure, I'll use my Fibonacci now, because price always pull back to area of 61.8% on the Fib. So now using the Fibonacci, we find out that price is yet to come to our 61.8. To those that trade the SMC, there's what they call the discount and the premium. So price is still within the premium level, and it is always advisable to look for a buy within the discount level. So but as for me, I feel that price will come to 61.8% retracement and price will go up from there. So because 61.8% retracement from my back test is always where price do reversal, and this is, I am going to use this line to represent my 61.8%. So I will remove this fib, and this is our 4 hour 61.8% fib. So I will now go to 1 hour from here. So when I go to 1 hour now, I want to see the trend, because 1 hour is basically where I will take my trade from. And don't forget, this is 61.8%. So price may eventually come to this area, give us a buy opportunity, and we'll buy up to this point. So now on 1 hour time frame, what did I see? I see price creating this structure. Excuse me. So this is the trend on the 1 hour time frame. So price got to this high, price create this low, pull back, creates like a double top, and we have a break here. So we have a break at this point here, as you can see. So which is the neckline of the double top. For those that trade the chart pattern, that happens to be the neckline of the double top. So when we know that this is a double top and this is the neckline, and we have a break of it, price may eventually pulls back, and we may find opportunity for a sell to this 4 hour 61.8%. Then from this area again, we may look for opportunity within this area for a buy up to this point. So let's see what price will do. I will take my fib again to look for a sell opportunity. If price will come to this 61.8%, then I will sell up to this point. So I'll place my entry here, my stop loss above the high, and I want to target this 61.8% area. So let's play price forward and see what price will do. So price is basically pushing backward. Price is pushing backward, and price came, now you see price came to our 61.8% on of the 4 hour. So we have a break of structure here, we have a change of character here. So I'll be looking for price to come back a little. So if price pull back, I will look for opportunity to buy from inside of, let's say, this fair value gap here. This is how I trade basically. So I'll put my stop loss, just let's say 60 pips. Let's say 60 pips. I'll put my stop loss 60 pips, and I'll go for 1:2 basically. So 1:2. So let's see what price will do. 1:2. Don't forget, price may still eventually come and tap us in here, because we have a pending order here. So let's see if we'll definitely hit TP or we'll hit stop loss based on this analysis here. So price is coming down to our PO high. So price tap us in now. You can see price already tapped us in for a buy, and price is currently moving up. Hopefully we may hit our TP, or basically we may hit our stop loss. So price is moving to the upside. At this point now, at this point we have been tapped in for a sell as well, as you can see, and we almost hit our TP. So we almost hit our TP before price now reverse back. So at this point now, we have our, let's say we have our buy being closed and our sell. Yes, we eventually take profit on this. eventually hit take profit. So let me remove that one, and this our sell is still active. You can see our sell is still active. This is how you can somehow have opportunity for a buy and at the same time you will sell. So you can see our sell is still pretty much active. Don't forget the obvious trend is to look for opportunity for buy. It's to look for opportunity for a buy. So our sell is still moving. If we have a break of this place, a break of this high, definitely will close the trade. You can see the price eventually drops. The price keep dropping for the sell. We've hit TP on the buy, and this is our sell. So at this point also, we eventually hit TP for the sell as well. So we've hit TP on the buy, and we eventually hit TP again for the sell. So the strategy is very simple. You just have to go to the chart and back test or forward test. So before you start using this simple strategy, just try as much as possible to practice it on the demo. So try as much as possible to practice it on the demo before you start trading your live account. And we have come to the end of the video. See you in my next one. Peace out.